Alright guys, about to walk you through a huge property that I wholesaled back in, I believe it was January. It's the building and the adjacent lot. I wholesaled this and made, I believe, $17,000 off of it. And right now, my partner is developing the property. Also, if you own a property that you inherited or you don't know what to do with and you don't want to sell it, you want to develop it, hit me up. We will develop it for you. We will help you secure the financing, and we will handle the development from A to Z while you sit back, watch your property develop, and collect a check. This is the type of work that we do. That's the quarterback over there, Brett Slackman.
We have our own little election on the block this week.
That's right.
We couldn't get them bricks cleaned out front, so instead of us making the decision, we got ballot boxes, and the people on the block are going to pick out what happens to them bricks. You think I'm kidding too?
Now we do consultation. We will develop a property like this for you. If you have a property that you inherited, you don't know what to do with it, you have ideas but you don't have the experience or don't know how to get the capital, we can assist you in all of this. We will handle the project from A to Z while you sit back, watch us develop the property, and collect your money at the end.
How big is this fucking job?
It's big, a large property. I remember when we first came into this property. This is
18 by 90 foot.
Wow.
That joint's a mansion. They like half framed it out, and none of the joist beams were connected.
Yeah.
Remember? So when you went up the stairs, the whole thing shook, and this wall was like, none of these beams were tied in. So when we ripped everything out, they basically had to rebuild this whole section of the structure because it was falling down. But now we got crown molding.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember the wall was right here. The kitchen was behind here.
The kitchen was this way. Well, we framed this out, so this was all nasty ass kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And this is supposed to be a coat closet, so they can't fuck this up. Back door.
Yeah, I know the back door is an addition.
If you were to walk back here, you would have fallen into the basement. Remember? And then they had the back door to the backyard was right here. And it was all cinder blocks. We just popped them out. Like chiclets.
This is the quality work that we do. There's no lighting in here yet. Nice high ceilings. 10-foot ceilings. It's going to be a little bath. Master bath here. Master suite. Walk-in closet. Deck out here. This is the block. Alright guys, so if you want to learn how to flip houses without doing a single repair, without using your money and your credit, hit me up, DM me, and I will put you on the list for my ebook and my course that I'm preparing for you. If you have a home that you want to develop, a land that you want to build on, hit me up in my DM and I'll square you away. Or hit the link in my bio, Facebook, Uhuru Housing, and sign up for a consultation. Or hit the link in my bio, Facebook, Uhuru Housing, and sign up for a consultation.